Hey everybody, Sea Dog here. Welcome back to the channel. This one's going to be a quick unboxing and install video today. First time to the channel, like, subscribe, appreciate the comments. This one's actually from one of the comments. Somebody suggested a little something, so I went ahead and ordered it right away, and here we go. Here we go. Oil cap V2 style Dodge RT 5.7 Hemi. Red. Here we go. Assuming, oh, disclaimer. Who doesn't need a disclaimer? Oh hell, you know that's going on the sticker wall. Or cabinet. Here we go. Okay, now that we got it open, it's time to add that flare. Who doesn't want to add, what is it, 37 pieces of flare? I forget. We're adding flare.
And
We need to talk about your flare.
Really? I have 15 pieces on.
Well, okay, 15 is the minimum. Okay?
Okay.
Now, you know, it's up to you whether or not you want to just do the bare minimum or, well, like Brian, for example, has 37 pieces of flare on today. Look, we want you to express yourself, okay? Now, if you feel that the bare minimum is enough, then okay, but some people choose to wear more, and we encourage that, okay? You do want to express yourself, don't you?
Say bye-bye. So here's the size difference of the two caps. So basically what's going to happen is in order to take this one off moving forward, I'm going to have to actually take the cap off first. So, but this will sit right on top. It'll actually hold that down in place, which is a great idea. You know, because only two of the connectors at the top actually connect up and hold it down. The ones that are down here, since this is for a 392, they don't match up, so it's a smart play. So there it is in place, and now I'll put the Moby 1 sticker so it's this direction. So anybody that takes it off, actually maybe I'll do it this direction. It'll match up with the powered by. Yeah, I'll make it so it's this direction. So since this is tight on there, that'll be how it always ends up, pointed in the right direction. Okay, there we go. There's the end result. And just like always, I do appreciate the comments. I do read them. I do respond. And I love suggestions. So looking for other mods I can do, just hit me up. And have a good day. Sea Dog out.